Hi, and welcome back to Mystery Systems. Today I'll show you how you can make a transparent photo. So that means that it will remove the background from your images. This is very useful if you have an image that you would just like to pin out a specific thing from that image and only have that and remove the background. So you gotta access this free website, and it is named remove.bg/upload. In here, you can either copy-paste the image that you would like in here or upload it directly from the PC. In my example, I'll just copy-paste the image that I would like. And as you could see, this image started out having a white background, and now it has been removed, and now it is a transparent photo of the Dell PC. Very useful, because now I have only the Dell PC for that image. And you can either when it's done, you can click on it and say copy image, or go over here and download the format in whatever you'd like. And as I can show you, now it has been removed. Now it's a transparent photo of this PC. So this can be useful for many cases. So that's why I would like to share it with you. I hope the video has been informative and has helped you. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.